Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will write a program to find all the palindrome words in a sentence. So first, we will take input of a sentence. So I have written here variable name sentence in which I am taking input of a sentence, and then I will make it into uppercase, and then I will split that words into word. Means, let's say here we are inputting a sentence, and then what this will do is convert this to uppercase, and then here split the sentence into words. So we will start a for loop, and we will declare the conditions like k equals to I colon minus 1. Means in k variable the value of this will get is 2. So what is this will do is this will extract the last letter from the word. Let's say it will start from the starting and goes till end, and will take out the last letter from the word. And then we will check if I equals to k, means the first word and the last word is same. We will print it as a palindrome. So this is the program which we can write simply.